So this is the video about, as I told you, we're going to discuss about the zodiac signs and how many zodiac signs we have and what are their names and what planet rules them. That's the most basic thing you should know about it. Let's start with the first zodiac sign. The first zodiac sign is Aries. Aries. And the second is, let's do this way. Aries. Okay. Then Taurus. Gemini. Cancer. Leo. Virgo. Libra. Scorpio. Keep making small notes, this will help you while I'm saying this. Scorpio. Sagittarius. Capricorn. Aquarius. And Pisces. So you have to learn those 12 zodiac sign names. Aries, this I'm telling you about the lordships. What planet rules what? What is the nature? Okay. Aries, the lord of Aries is Mars. So this is kind of small table, will help you always. Just a quick reference. Taurus, ruled by Venus. Gemini, ruled by Mercury. I'm writing the short form MERC, Mercury. Cancer is ruled by Moon. Leo is ruled by Sun. Virgo ruled by, again, Gemini. Libra ruled by, again, Venus. Scorpio is ruled by Mars again. Sagittarius by Jupiter. Capricorn by Saturn. Aquarius again Saturn. And Pisces by Jupiter again. So you see these planets. Now nature. What is the nature of those? Nature of Aries is fiery nature. It is hot. Taurus has earthy nature. Gemini is airy. Airy in nature. It has more air inside it. Cancer is a watery sign. Leo is again fiery sign. It has fire inside. Gemini is earthy sign. Libra airy sign. Scorpio watery sign. Sagittarius, Aries sign. Oh, sorry, it is fiery sign. Sagittarius is fiery sign. Capricorn, earthy sign. Aquarius, Aries sign. And Pisces again, watery sign. Now, what is this? I'm saying is fiery, somebody saying earthy, and some of the things I'm saying are airy, watery. What is this? This is a very, very important thing. This is the basic nature of the planet. This is very easy to understand from this chart. Take first thing, Aries. Aries, the first zodiac sign is controlled by Mars. It is fiery in nature, so that means Aries zodiac sign controlled by Mars. Mars is a hot planet. Okay, you should understand that Mars being close to the sun is more hot, and that's why the person born with this Mars in its ascendant or in the sun sign or moon sign has a tendency of more hot nature, fiery nature, straightforward, like a soldier. Taurus is controlled by Venus and it has earthy sign. Earthy means that person has the feelings inside the heart and doesn't want to express it out, because like earth has all those vegetations on the top, but there could be a big volcano underneath. You never know. So it looks like quiet on the top of the surface, but there could be a big storm underneath. So that's what the earthy sign means. A lot of patience. Gemini is the airy sign. Now airy means it is a boost of ideas. You see how the air moves fast, goes to the every corner of the room, every corner, every empty space is filled up by the air. So same thing is airy sign. Like Gemini people, just for example, Gemini people are famous for their ideas. Quick ideas, a bunch of ideas. Why? Because they have air in their mind, and air takes those ideas and keep moving in every corner of their mind and with all those different ideas. So that's why these people are very, very good advisors, very, very good idea givers. So that's how you classify the fiery, earthy, and airy sign. When you go down to Cancer, it's a watery sign. Now, watery sign is what? Water. When something comes in the way of water, either water breaks it, or water changes its direction, or when water you put in a glass it takes the shape of the glass. So that's these Cancer people are. They get mixed up with other people. They get into their emotions just like the water goes into the soil, and a fruit of love and affection comes out from the earth. That's how the Cancer people work. The watery sign. Here the water sign for the Cancer is for healing purpose. And if you look at this sign, watery, Scorpio. Scorpio is a scorpion. Try to bite you if you try to tease that guy. Okay, so here this is different. They can go in the water, they can come out of the water. So they can change according to the situation. That's the Scorpio people are. Because this is more different and strong nature than Cancer. Why? Because both being watery sign, but in the Cancer we have moon, and in the Scorpio we have Mars. So you can figure out from here that moon is a mild planet, Mars is a hot planet. So when a hot planet or a hot thing, a hot plate goes into the water will start boiling. It will become a steam of anger, a steam of, you can say, want to vent off some of your emotions. That's what the Scorpio people do. So here the water plays a different role. You got to understand those things. This is a common sense. When you start reading those things, that's what I'm saying. try to go in details. Go on the internet, search for the stuff. You will find out very, very interesting things, and you will know why these things and how these things work. So these all do like the same thing. You should note down this chart, but for your ease I'm going to tell you a little small table how to know that which planet is fiery, which planet is watery, which planet is airy. I'll give you a small chart for that. I'm going to make it right now. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me. You can ask me through the email. I'll send you the reply back. Now, this table you should always keep in your mind. I'll write down here F, E, A, and W. What does this mean? F means fire, earth, air, and water. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the first zodiac sign, second zodiac sign, third and fourth, and then following up to 12. Fire, earth, air, and water. You see, if you want to see which planets are fiery, 1, 5, and 9 zodiac signs are fiery in nature. If you want to see which one are earthy signs, 2, 6, and 10. So this chart makes it easy for you. Okay, so you should note this down somewhere about this chart. This is very, very useful chart. It's gonna always help you. It helps the biggest astrologer in the world, and it helps the beginner also. So this is the basic thing. So this is the general about the zodiac signs. This is not done with the zodiac signs. We have a lot more about zodiac signs which you have to know, but I'm not pushing all the data at once to you because it's gonna be a big bother. You won't be able to understand, or you might get confused. So we are going step by step, slowly, and then we pick up the speed. Okay, when I'll take your little test assignment that how you are doing, then I can know that how much information you can absorb now. So I'll be giving you information in that way. So that's all for this lecture. All right, so go through this one more time, listen to it 2 or 3 times, and if you have any questions, ask me. Thank you.